How to install and use your sparkfun. Ever heard of illusion of choice? Okay, so first you need to open sparkfun library and adafruit library GitHub pages. Okay, sparkfun. Spark. What? Phase 1. Let's put this over here. Okay. Try this again. GitHub. That's so cool. There's the sparkfun, but what? Alright. No. Hey, what? Alrighty, how to install and use sparkfun. Yes, illusion of choice. Open the sparkfun. Select the green clone or download button. Clone or download sparkfun. Public Eagle. Okay. So what now? No. Green clone channelist download zip. Okay, so download the zip. Cloner download. So, I don't know if I'm doing it or not. Download. Clone. Download zip. Alrighty. Alrighty, and then choose download zip. Once your zip files are downloaded, go ahead and extract them.
Here, guys.
Oh my goodness, you're on record, by the way, again. So I'll pause.
Why do you always have this mirror like everywhere?
So open, save, close. What do you want to do with sparkfun library? Hold on. What now? No. Once your zip files are downloaded, go ahead and extract them to a selected folder. Download button, easy download. When you choose to store, it's entirely up to you. We added 2 sparkfun added library folders. Okay, so
My shoes won't work.
adafruit pages here in a minute. Okay, GitHub, I did that. So I guess save it. Save.
Yeah.
Just a minute, kid, please. And I will help you. Just give me a minute. sparkfun Eagle Libraries Master Zip finished downloading. Alrighty. Okay. Keep your where you choose to show your sparkfun. Let's put it to you. Make a new folder in our documents. Alrighty. Open. Oh, by golly, children.
From the door. From the door.
What, babe?
Help.
Yeah, I'll stop this. Hold on. Let me pause this. Alright, so OS download sparkfun. I like took the whole thing and just stuffed it in here. Will you like go there? I think you will. Okay. Yeah. Good. Good, good, good. All right, so remote control's there. Now, next, update Eagle. All right, next part. Activate, no. I need adafruit now. Okay, adafruit. All right, cloner download. Download the zip.
All the way to the door. All the way to the door.
Well, I'm still recording it. I mean, I've got to get this done, guys. So, open. Okay. All right, so stuffed them in there. Next part. Okay, did that. I think. Rats. Shoot. Don't click on the files. Oh no. Download this as a zip. Well, huh. Well, hopefully it worked. I don't know. Too late. I already clicked on the files. Try this again. Okay. Well, technically they're downloaded. Go ahead, extract them. When you choose to store, I stored them there. Okay, update the Eagle library directory. Now that your new sparkfun and Ada libraries have a new home, update your Eagle directory so they can be found. Okay, I probably need to unzip them the rest of the way though, don't I? Okay, so, alrighty. Include a library, open. Well, I don't know. Okay, how about you? Access. Maybe it's ready already? Might be. Okay, fine. Let's just try this. Open Eagle, and you'll be greeted with the control panel. Select Options. Okay. Open my Eagle. Oh, control panel. Okay. Okay. The control panel. All right. Open Eagle. Control panel, options, directories. Add the path. Okay. Control panel. Options, directories. Options, directories. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Directories. You'll now need to add the file path that your sparkfun and adafruit libraries are stored in. Either semicolon or colon. Your new library's path will look something like this. Okay. Oh, I'll get it. All right. Eagle Drive. You'll add your new file path after the default directory using either a semicolon or a Windows colon. After the default directory. Okay, so default directory, libraries, design blocks, design rules, language proc scripts, CAM, project or simulator path. Set to defaults? No. Browse. Remote control. Can I select the folder? Cancel. Man. Alrighty, so options, directories. Instead of removing file path. Okay. Libraries. Eagle now defaults to saving your files under document Eagle. You can change default from any options. Okay. Documents Eagle. Okay, so you'll be greeted with the control panel. I'm on the control panel. Next, select options, directories. Directories. You'll now need to add. How do you add it? Before you start reading? Okay, so you don't want to delete a file. You want to add. How do you add? Okay. Let me pause for a minute. Okay, options, directories, browse. I had it under here. No, I had it under here. Adafruit. Select that folder. Okay. Defaults to saving your files under Documents Eagle. Projects. Alrighty. And path and check this Mac, this guide for Windows. Okay, to finalize.
Did you watch these?
Close and wait a minute. Close and reopen Autodesk Eagle.
You watched this?
I think so. I don't know right now. I sniff it and see if it smells clean.
It feels kind of wet, but I just wondered if you ran the washing machine.
The other day, I think. I didn't run it today. Okay, so all right. Options, directories. Browse. I want it to link just to, no. I want it to link just this one. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so select OK to finalize the directory changes if it's working. I don't know if it is or not. Close and reopen Autodesk Eagle. Oh, that ought to be fun. When you reopen, check out Libraries folder in the control panel. Okay, here we go. All right, I've closed. And then, goodness, reopen Eagle. I broke it. Okay. When you reopen Autodesk Eagle, check out the Libraries folder in your control panel and you should see your newly added folders. Okay. We'll see. Alright, this control? Check out your libraries. And you should see your newly added folder. Oh my. Yeah, like now it's like multiple. But it's there. Okay. I don't know what I just did, but I'll clean that up later. All right, let's see. Step 3, activate the new libraries. Before you can start using sparkfun and adafruit, you need to activate them in Autodesk Eagle. Here's how you do it. Select the arrow icon to expand until you need the sparkfun and adafruit folders. Okay. Right click and select use all. Alrighty. Activated by looking inside, and if you see a green dot, this means they're ready for action. Okay, so puppy. No, I'm not playing right now. Okay, next, right click your sparkfun. Okay. Select the arrow icon to expand your libraries folder in the control panel. Fine, okay. Select the libraries folder to expand in the control panel. Oh man, I missed those again. I'm getting tired. Next, right click your sparkfun and adafruit libraries and select result. Okay. Alright, oh wait, no. Right click, use all. Okay, right click, use all. Should you like see anything? Because like I don't see a thing. You'll know you successfully activated by looking inside the folder. Okay, so I did this one as the top one. This folder contains user libraries. That's nice. Yeah, that didn't do a thing. Use all. Use all. There's like nothing in it. Oh shoot. What did I do? Okay, maybe it's this one. Okay.
No.
Yeah, let's try it.
What is this?
Use all.
No. Yeah, let's try.
Oh, whoa, okay. Okay, alrighty. Hold on, that's all sparkfun. That works. Alright, how about adafruit?
No. You get that.
Adafruit? No. 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 What did I do? Oh no. Okay, try this again. Okay, back in. Oh shoot, now I've closed out of Eagle. Alright. Alright, dude. Come on, computer. I'm almost done, I promise. Okay. Well, okay, try this again. Alright, you'll know you successfully activated. Nope, go back up. Okay, so select the arrow, right click, use all. Okay, okay, try it again. Libraries. I did adafruit and, use all. Well, maybe that is that a fruit. I don't know. Okay, the sparkfun's definitely doing something. Hey, and I didn't have to close it all out either. Maybe. Okay, not sure if the libraries act, just look for the green dot. Select the arrow to expand your libraries until you see. What? Not sure. One thing to keep in mind, if you only want to use your new sparkfun adafruit libraries, but not your default, then you need to deactivate these. If you see a gray dot next to each part, then you have successfully deactivated them. I don't want to, no, it's okay. Got a gray dot, that means this tab won't show up in your searches. Okay, I guess I think I did it? Maybe. Hopefully that's phase 2. Hopefully that's phase 2.